While out and about, making a mail run on the two-stroke bike. I just recently got this one to run a lot better. Oh, my path is blocked. This has never happened before. Never actually been in the middle of a cattle crossing on the bike trail here, the old rail grade. I don't know, maybe I'll grab me some plums and sit here and watch them. But if I would have known, I probably would have, would have taken Toon Road, which is that road just over there. Sure makes life feel pretty old-fashioned on one of these things. It's kind of like being on an old-timely motorcycle. It's about, speed-wise, varies quite a bit. Of course, I don't have gears to work with, but the reliability factor and the pace at which you travel and some of the roads you take to travel there, such as this old bike trail, old rail grade trail rather, just kind of gives it that old-fashioned feeling.